Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is day 31 of solving daily problems on LeetCode. Let us see what today's problem is. So the problem says to reverse a linked list, which is an easy level problem. Let us first read this problem. So here the problem says given the head of a singly linked list and reverse the list and return the reverse list. Simply like in arrays you do reverse operation, you have to perform it on linked list here. So given is a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have to reverse this linked list and which will become 5 will point to 4, 4 will point to 3, 3 will point to 2 and 2 will point to 1. As given here the head linked list is this and the output should be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here in this function we have to return the node and it is giving us the head as a parameter. Okay, so let us try to understand this with the help of another example. So here you can see that this is a singly linked list. Okay, now I have here created three pointers which are previous, which is initially pointing to null, current which is initially pointing to her head, and next n which means next node which is null. Okay, so for performing the operations, what I will do that I will run a while loop until my current is not equals to null. This is my loop condition that current should not be equals to null. Okay, after that I am putting current next n should be equals to current ka next. So here you can see that current ka next will point to 4800 and my next node will store what? It will store 4800. It will store here 4800. Now current next will be equals to previous. So initially my previous is null, so my current node here it will also become null. Okay, now I will move my previous pointer to current. Previous was at null and now previous will be at head of my linked list. After changing the previous pointer, I will change the next point. So now next will become current will become equals to my next node. So initially I have pointed my next to current next, which means next node is present here, and with the help of this line what I have done is current equals to next node. So at last my current will point to this node. Okay, and here you can see that the link is changed. So similarly this code will run until my current reaches the end of array and previous will store the head pointer in it, as previous will store the result in it. Previous will store the new head of the linked list. Okay, so uh, here current is pointing to this node. Again this loop will run as current is not equals to null. So next node will become equals to current connect. So next will move from here to here. Now current connects will be equals to previous. So this point will be like this. Current के next में we have given the address of previous. Now we are moving previous to my next. Oh, okay, sorry. Now I'm moving my previous to my current node. This will point to this node, and after that I am moving my current to current node ka next, which will point to this node. So this thing we have to done in code also. This is the part of code which is the main logic here to reverse the linked list, and simply this will reverse our linked list and return us the desired output. Okay, so let us try to code this problem. So here what we have done, we have created list three list nodes star. Okay, first is curr, which is pointing to head of linked list. Next is previous, which is initially null. Next is my next node, nextN, which will point to my next node. So inside this loop, I will check curr not equals to null ptr, and inside this loop, firstly I will move my next pointer to current next. Then I will make my previous equals to current. Okay. After moving this, we will first make current next equals to previous. Okay. Current next will be equals to previous, and then previous will be equals to current, and at last my current will be equals to nextN. Okay, and at last, while this loop has completely run, I will return the previous pointer, which will point to my new linked list head. So let us try to run this code and check it for the sample test cases. It is accepted. Now let's just submit this code to check for other test cases. It is accepted, and we have completed today's problem of the day on LeetCode. If you have watched this video, please like this video, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get daily notification about the videos I'm posting, and I will see you in the next video.